In today's video, I'm going to show you how to alter the speed in a video in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Changing video speed is perfect for creating slow motion effects, speeding up tutorials, or making your content more engaging for social media. Canva makes this incredibly simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to preview your changes properly. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see your recent designs and templates. From here, click on any video design of your choice, or start a new video project if you prefer. You can choose a blank video canvas or use one of Canva's ready-made video templates. Next, inside the editor, click on the video clip that you want to adjust. This is important because the speed option will only appear when the video itself is selected. Once the video is selected, look at the top toolbar. You'll see a button that shows the speed, and by default it will say 1 times, which means normal speed. Go ahead and click on that speed button. Now you'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the speed of your video. Drag the slider to the right to speed up the video, or drag it to the left to slow it down. As you move the slider, Canva will automatically update the speed setting for that clip. Take your time here and adjust it until it feels right for your content. After adjusting the speed, click the play button to preview the video. This lets you see exactly how the new speed looks before exporting or sharing your design. If it feels too fast or too slow, simply click the speed button again and fine-tune the slider until you're happy with the result. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the speed of a video in Canva. This feature is great for creating dynamic videos, tutorials, reels, and short-form content without needing advanced editing software. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.